What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench that you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2026 Kia K5. So all those items I just mentioned are going to be located in the trunk. So we'll go ahead and pop our trunk. Then taking a look in the trunk in the bottom here, you can see there's this little cutout right here that will allow you to get your hand in there and pick up on this lid. Once we pick that up, we have the styrofoam tray here. In this styrofoam tray, we're going to have our lug nut wrench, which will also be part of the jack handle. We have this piece, which is another part of the jack handle. And then we have our actual jack itself down in the bottom right here. There's also this piece, which isn't really involved in the spare tire or the flat tire change. This is going to be an emergency recovery hook. We'll just take a quick look here at this jack and how how the handle will work. So your jack will sit like that. This piece hooks on there like that. And then for the handle, we're going to take our lug nut wrench, and you can see that little square cutout that'll fit over there like that, and that'll give you your handle for the jack. So that's those items. Now taking a look at our actual spare tire. This is just held on by this plastic wing nut that'll twist off there counterclockwise, spin that all the way off, and then you can pull your spare tire out. So that should be everything you need in order to change your spare tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.